Welcome to Minecraft Mastery. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the essential steps to create the ultimate Minecraft world. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, you'll find tips and tricks to elevate your building skills and design a world that's uniquely yours. Choose your world type. Start by selecting the type of world you want to build in. You can choose between survival, creative, or hardcore. For large, intricate builds, creative mode allows for unlimited resources and the ability to fly, which makes construction easier. Planning your world. Sketch out a plan of what you want to build. Decide on the theme, medieval, futuristic, fantasy, etc., the main structures, and where you'll place them. This helps keep your builds cohesive and ensures you have enough space for everything. Resource gathering, if in survival mode. If you're playing in survival mode, start by gathering the necessary resources. Focus on collecting essential materials like wood, stone, and ores to build your basic structures. Set up a base with storage to keep your resources organized. Building basics. Begin with the foundation of your structures. Use blocks like stone bricks or wood for the base, and make sure to lay out a strong, stable foundation. For larger builds, consider using scaffolding to reach higher areas easily. Incorporate redstone mechanisms. Add complexity to your world by incorporating redstone mechanisms. You can create automated doors, secret passages, and traps to make your world more interactive. Start with simple circuits and gradually move to more advanced redstone contraptions. Add details and decorations. Make your world visually appealing by adding details like windows, gardens, pathways, and lighting. Use a variety of blocks and decorations to bring your structures to life. Experiment with different materials and patterns to achieve the look you want. Explore biomes. Take advantage of the different biomes in Minecraft to add diversity to your world. Build in forests, deserts, mountains, and oceans to create distinct areas within your world. Each biome offers unique challenges and opportunities for creativity. Invite friends or join a server. Once your world is taking shape, invite friends to join you in building or explore other players' creations by joining a Minecraft server. Collaborating with others can provide inspiration and help you learn new building techniques. Regular updates and maintenance. Keep your world fresh by regularly updating and expanding it. Add new buildings, tweak existing ones, and explore updates to the game that introduce new features and blocks. Continuous improvement will keep your Minecraft world engaging and fun. That's it for our Minecraft Mastery tutorial on building the ultimate Minecraft world. Now that you've got the basics, it's time to get creative and start building your dream world. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing to CyberTheo for more Minecraft tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.